Buying Solana on Phantom involves connecting your Phantom wallet to a decentralized exchange that supports SOL trading pairs and executing a trade. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy Solana on Phantom. Install Phantom Wallet. Download and install the Phantom Wallet extension from the web browser extension store. Create or import a wallet. Create a new wallet within the Phantom extension or import an existing Solana wallet by entering the seed phrase. Add SOL tokens to wallet. If you don't have SOL tokens in your wallet already, you'll need to add them by sending SOL from another wallet or exchange to your Phantom wallet address. Connect to a DEX. Navigate to a decentralized exchange that supports Solana, such as Serum or Radium, and connect your Phantom wallet to the DEX. Select SOL trading pair. Choose the SOL trading pair you want to trade on the DEX's trading interface. Place a buy order. Enter the amount of SOL you want to buy and review the order details. Specify the price or choose a market order for immediate execution. Confirm purchase. Confirm the buy order and wait for it to be executed. Once completed, the SOL tokens will be reflected in your Phantom wallet. Withdraw tokens. Consider withdrawing your SOL tokens to a secure wallet for long-term storage if you don't plan to trade them actively.